Hello, this is Raina with LYLO Crafts coming on today as part of Hashtag Gratitude Journal. This is a collab that I'm doing with Creating with Jovi. She's the hostess. And then there are three of us who are participating with her. That's Susan's Heartstrings, Karamia's Corner, and me. And I'll put a link to everybody's channel in the description below. And all we're doing is sharing things that we are thankful for every Monday in November. So this is week 3, and next Monday, I believe, will be the last one. So I've been doing a flip through of my thankfulness journal, which is made up of tags and things I'm thankful for the past 2 weeks. But this week, I wanted to just do a flip through, but then pause and share a little bit about what I'm thankful for and what my week looked like. It was a tough week. And so, and life throws you things where there's difficult things and then there's sweetness also at the same time. So I just wanted to show you some ideas on this flip through. So I've got like a flip up here and I've got this sweet tag over here. I've got this, and this time I just wrote on a diagonal. I just think sometimes when we write in different shapes, that even adds interest. And then my sweet friend, JanetKay, sent me this in the mail, and so I'll put a link to her channel in the description below because isn't that gorgeous? And so I wrote on the back of that. This tag here is from Lorraine Platero, and this leaf is from The Flavorful Home with Paula. I'll put a link to her channel in the description below. She shared that with me. This is also from JanetKay, and look at this sweet little critter, and I am thankful for a lot of the little critters that we saw. But what I wanted to do was pause and just say that on this day right here, and having a rain boot there was kind of appropriate. I found out that my uncle passed, and that was the last sibling of my mom. There were 9 siblings in her family, and so now she is the last one that is living, and so was so sad. But I want to say 3 things that I'm thankful for my Uncle Bobby. And so one was his love of singing. He had a beautiful voice, and he sang at several of the family weddings, and so he just brought such joy with his singing. I also want to pause and say that I am thankful for his amazing smile. He had one of those smiles that could light up the room, and when he smiled, he had the best big white teeth grin, and so and he smiled so easily. So I'm so thankful for that. And then I'm also thankful for his compassion for the poor. He dedicated his whole working life to being an advocate for the poor through Catholic Social Services, and then also through the Paloma Settlement in Hawaii. And so I just want to pause and say those are the 3 things that I'm thankful for. So even though things were sad, I did want to pause and remember all the good. And then also my dad has passed, but his oldest brother is still living, and we got to go there yesterday to Whittier to his assisted living, and his senior group with the church came and brought him a beautiful cake, and we got to celebrate his 90th birthday. And so that was sweet. So life is filled with those juxtapositions of death and life, of sadness and joy, and it's okay. We need to experience them all. So I appreciate you spending some time with me today, and I hope you have an amazing day. Bye-bye.